I know what it is. It's frickin' Sterling.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Patuxent River to Boones Island, Maryland. Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island until 5:30 p.m.
This is a decently big one.
A strong thunderstorm was located near Choptank River, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Choptank River, St. Leonard Creek, Knapp's Narrows Bridge, Tillman Island, Blackownet Point, Solomon's Island, Coupled Creek, Town Creek, North Beach, Drum Point, Herring Bay, Fishing Bay, Dares Beach, Flag Harbor, James Island, Calvert Cliffs, Bivalve, Chesapeake Beach, and Taylor's Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Lower Delaware Bay. Tonight, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots.
You noticed better when the recon went off and you didn't. Finally went severe. Bruh. You did it too?
Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, western Knox County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:30.
It's a bruh moment.
At 5:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Birdsboro, or 9 miles east of
Bruh, unrecognized statement.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible.
These guys all went off right, I think. Yeah, looks like it. They finally issued this damn SVR. It is from my county though, so. This includes my dad's house, I think. AKA the guy who got me, I think, what, 12 out of my 15 radios.
You have one unread message.
Oh, you broke, bro. Oh no.
Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central County in south Pennsylvania, northwestern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8:15 p.m. At 7:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Honey Brook, or 8 miles southeast of New Holland, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include West Chester, Phoenixville, West Norton, Coatesville, Westtown, Downingtown, Parkersburg, Honey Brook, Elverson, Cheney, Marshallton, Lima, Leonville, Markwood, Rabyville, Valley Forge, Glenmore, Howley, Chester Springs, Newtown Square, and Leonville. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 300 and 327. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 327. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Chester, Delaware, and Montgomery.
Orders for me, finally.
6:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Gusty winds and heavy rainfall this evening. Lows in the mid-60s.
Why does your light always go away? It doesn't. Okay.
Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point in Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Eastern Bay, Watapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor.
Oh my God,
until 9:30
it's massive.
At 7:50
Kind of.
p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles west of Fort Smallwood State Park to 6 nautical miles west of Key Bridge, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Chester River, Eastern Bay, Greenberry Point, Shadyside, Highland Beach, Sandy Point State Park, Severn River, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Parsons Island, Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Miles River, Love Point, Naval Academy, Baltimore Light, Rolling Cook, and Mattapique. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Okay.
You have one unread message.
Yeah, I get it.
Here is Castle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Campbell County in southern northwestern Campbell County in southern New Jersey, northwestern
Really big. And ooh, no, you stay here.
Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 9 p.m. At 8:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Powley to near Westtown to near Landenberg, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Wilmington, Westchester, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Chester, Deptford, West Deptford, Belmore, Yetton, Westtown, Woodbury, Carneys Point, Conshohocken, Palmyra, Folcom, Swarthmore, Ellesmere, and Paulsboro. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 2 and 3. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 317 and 325. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 33. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 13 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 4 and 30. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 4. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 17.
Prepared actions.
Tonight, partly cloudy.
Oh my God, you went off right? Let's
Showers
go.
and thunderstorms this evening. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and heavy rainfall this evening.
You're not funny.
There are slight chance of showers and thunderstorms overnight. Friday, west winds around 5 knots, becoming south in the afternoon. Waves around 2 feet or less. Friday night, south winds 5.
How do you glitch twice?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Camden County in southern New Jersey, Central Irvington County in southern New Jersey, until 9:45 p.m. A severe thunderstorm or 10 miles east of Camden, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage
Who's
to roofs,
Static
siding,
Man?
trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Evesham, Mount Laurel, Forney, Medford, Tabernacle, Shimone, Springdale, Wharton State Forest, Atcham, Greentree, Monton, Leisure Town, Chatsworth, Randywood, Medford Lakes, and Morristown, Linola. This includes Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 39 and 42. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been
also
issued
tornado
until
possible,
9:45
but
p.m.
whatever.
for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Camden.
FFW? A flash flood warning?
County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 1:30 a.m. At 9:20 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy
Is
rain
this
across the
for
area.
my house? No.
Philadelphia, Ben Salem, Burlington, Bristol, Conshohocken, Elmira, Beverly, Wisconsin, Tacony, Holmesburg, Germantown, and Andalusia. This is
Not for my house, though, but for my county.
Pennsylvania between mile markers 27 and 39. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 333 and 338. This includes the following streams and drainages: Crosswoods National, Schuylkill, and Lower Delaware. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Never in the however long this event has taken did I think a flash flood warning would get issued. Nevertheless, for me. So I found out why. If you don't do that, then you're broke. So